All right, welcome back to the Crypto ZX channel, to the XRP family. Happy Friday wherever you are around the world. As we are starting out Friday morning, as far as some of these coins are concerned, we're seeing some coins up double digits. You can see H bar, recently has had, major developments coming out, and, Bread is up 18.2%, Cardano up 21.4%, and look at XRP up 15.6% today as we are starting out Friday. And XRP was able to fill the wick that we saw yesterday, and I had a discussion about that. That we are most likely going to see that wick being filled, and that's exactly what is happening right now as we speak for XRP. So let's take a closer look at it and see what is happening, and some major things to share with you guys. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the show. Looking at the price, 88.25 cents, as mentioned, up 15.6% in USD and about 16% in Bitcoin comparative, which is a big move. And the 24-hour trading volume is at a staggering $15.4 billion. And now if we're looking at the market cap, back above $50 billion, to be exact, $50.2 billion. And the rank is at the top 7 spot. We're going to see that battle between XRP and Dogecoin, because Dogecoin recently has seen a major move over the course of the last few days, and I think XRP will take over Dogecoin. But before we get into any further, as always, just a quick disclaimer: anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in cryptocurrency. So 18 hours ago, I asked you guys, the community members, 841 votes have come in, about 17 comments, and I asked XRP retesting levels we haven't seen since last year, so last summer. Are you shocked? 56% saying are no, not shocked and knew it was coming. 14 are saying completely shocked, and 30% just do not care. Let me know where you guys lie in the comments down below. But yeah, let's take a look at what's happening. First and foremost, I really want to share this with you guys. So, Satoshi era Bitcoin wallet moves 2,000 Bitcoin worth $178 million for the first time since 2010. And I'm sure everyone wishes, whoever this person is who has this wallet, some people are going to come say, Satoshi's another wallet. But you are seeing some Bitcoin being moved for the first time since 2010. So that's crazy. And this 2000 Bitcoin in 2010 was worth chump change, like literally chump change. And here we are, it's worth $178 million. Whoever that is, congrats. Go buy yourself a Lamborghini or a Bugatti, whatever the case is. Anyhow, you can see Pennsylvania proposes allocating 10% of its 7 billion reserve into Bitcoin. If this isn't bullish, I don't know what is. And we're going to see a similar, thing happening with other states also doing this. But let's take a look at what's happening with XRP. So Eleanor posted this. Clayton, former SEC chair, is now an advisor to crypto custody and security platform Fireblock HQ, a crypto investment firm, One River Digital Asset Management, and speaks at various industry events. And you could see, Manhattan U.S. Attorney Office to reduce its pursuit of crypto cases. Pretty much responding to that. In the landscape of crypto is shifting. Speaking about landscape shifting, you can see Smoke posted this. Ripple is being noted as a significant competitor in the digital asset custody space. And when banks, one of these big global banks do start, especially in the US, when they start offering crypto services, they're obviously going to look for custodian services. And this is where Ripple is once again at the forefront and can actually help some of these banks. And that's where a huge potential lies, just based off of custody itself. And let me know in the comments down below what you guys think. But moving forward, shout out to Smoke again. Institutions are well aware that Gary delivered a farewell speech yesterday, as it is focused on many crypto research reports released this morning. Some reports even note that he may not enjoy a peaceful retirement due to them mounting lawsuits against him for these several states. As one analysis puts it, Gary was right about one thing: elections have consequences. And you can see Chris posted this. As of reports that I'm in mix to run SEC, I've made clear that I've already cleaned up earlier Gary Gensler's mess, CFTC, and we don't want to have to do it again. DC rumors that I'm interested in some crypto roll US Treasury are also wrong. But you guys can really understand how big of a deal that really is, and how big, not just Gary Gensler leaving, how big of a mess these guys have made. They haven't treated crypto industry fairly, and we know that. We know that the developments that we have seen come out, all these things just did not favor crypto. And crypto is a brand new industry. They can't just make up some random rule that never existed and start applying that rule towards the law. And that is what the main concern is, and hence you're starting to see so many lawsuits from these states that are coming. And I think we all saw it coming. I'm sure the haters did not see it coming, but here we are, a big landscape shift that's occurring right now for the crypto markets. But yeah, let's take a look at what's happening with the XRP's price. Even though this morning we have seen the dominance hit a new yearly high, Bitcoin on the other hand did make its way back above $89,000. Remember, it's Friday. I did indicate that maybe at the time of you watching this video or when we wake up, Bitcoin's already making its way back towards the upside. But I really like how we are starting to kind of trade sideways over the course of the last 24 to 48 hours, kind of building a support around this range before we start heading towards the upside. Because trust me, this will be beneficial when Bitcoin does go back and were to retrace later on. This exact level will actually come as a level of support. But Bitcoin move towards the upside has really helped XRP push towards the upside and fill the wick. And it did not just fill the wick, guys. XRP reached a new yearly high at 91.4 cents. Absolutely amazing. And you can really understand the significance of this 91 cents where we got stopped out. This is a major resistance dating back to 2018 levels. But we're going to take a look at it on the hourly time frame and really give you guys an indication what's happening and what are some next targets that we should be aiming for the price of XRP. So you could see, oopsies, we don't need this. We need XRP. Sorry guys, here, let's get the right chart out. And I don't know, XPR, there we go. Why am I saying XPR? Come on, it's too early, but I wanted to make this up to here we are. Okay, so look at this, guys. After we broke out of that key resistance, the wick was yesterday around actually 90 cents. We actually came down, and that key resistance I was talking about on a continuous basis came as a level of support. So that once again is a confirmation for us that this resistance was really important, and in return, after we broke out of it, it played as a level of support. And today, this morning, as Bitcoin pumped up, you really have seen the price of XRP reacting in a very, very positive way. If you picked up XRP just at the support at the 78 cents, you are up right now 16.17% in just a matter of a few hours. So I'm really liking this setup, this higher high, higher low trajectory formation on the hourly. As you can see, pretty much in an upwards trend, and I do believe XRP is about to head towards $1 for the first time in a long time. The last time the price was at $1 dates back to 2021 December. So almost 3 years ago, guys. 3 years ago. And once we get to $1, I think that's where a lot of excitement is going to come in. And honestly speaking, I've said this before, there's a lot of excitement already because of the fact that we broke out of this major key resistance. This is what a lot of people were waiting for. People think that I draw these lines randomly, I'm bored on the charts. Absolutely not. These are significant amount of resistances and support, and I'm sure now you're starting to realize how important these levels really are. But really liking this move for XRP right now, the fact that it was able to hit a new yearly high. And I do believe if it's able to close its daily candle above 90, we still have a lot of time left until the daily candle closes. If it's able to close its daily candle above 90 cents, I think we will see $1 even tomorrow, and that would not surprise me. But the dollar price point is a psychological price point, so we might see a little bit of a rejection at that key resistance. But after we break out of there, I think let the fireworks really begin. Let me know down below what you guys think. What are your predictions regarding XRP? Love each and every one of you guys. We'll see you tomorrow up in Crypto ZX, and peace out.